So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting mirrors on an x18. These mirrors might not be identical to the ones you get, but it's the exact same process. So we got two brand new mirrors here. We're going to pull them out, make sure we have the right side. Okay, so this one here is going to go on the left, so we'll do it first. So it's really easy. You just take the nut off the bottom of it, slide it down, put your nut on the bottom, and then tighten it into place. Okay, so now you'll see it's loose here. That's not going to make a difference because I'm just going to tighten it with right here. And I don't want you to go ahead and set your mirrors yet. Wait till you get both in place, and then you'll set them. This goes up to your mirror here, and this goes down here. But we'll tighten that up in a sec because I want to make sure that the mirror is where I can see. So we'll go ahead and we'll pick the other one on the other side. Tighten up this here. Let's grab the right wrench flat. It's a 13. Okay, so we got them kind of in place. We don't have them exactly tight, but we don't want them tight yet. What we want to do is we want to sit on our motorcycle, and we're going to set them to where we want to be set. So you want them both equal. So say about there. So then we'll take our 15 on the bottom and our 14 on top, and we can tighten them into place. Okay, perfect. That one's in place. And now, like I said, you want to keep them so that they both kind of match on both sides. You don't want one kind of way out, the other one not. So we're gonna make sure that they match. Okay, perfect. There we go. I'm gonna get my wrench out of there. Now, then we can adjust at the top here where we're gonna want them. You can go ahead and put your little rubber pieces down so that's gonna break in place. This other rubber piece goes up to the top. Like that. Perfect. So now if you come back here and you look at your mirrors, you'll be able to see what you're gonna see behind you. So right or left for lane changes, the vehicles that are coming up behind you, stuff like that. So that's how you install mirrors on the X18.